Hey guys, it's Let Your Light Shine. I'm here in Henderson and I'm checking out this bird viewing preserve. See that sign? Yeah, I was just checking out things to do out here and this came up as something to do. So let's check it out. So it kind of takes you off a little beaten path here. Little parking lot here. The place closes at 2 p.m. So thought I'd get here now and enjoy it before the heat happens and before they close. Alright, so I entered through the building. You have to register, so you are in their system. They gave me a bird map. And I was actually talking to somebody out in the lot when he was walking out and I was walking in. He wanted to point out there's a cute little hummingbird nesting on the fence line. So I'm going to go check that out before I check out the water area. Another thing I noticed, I got here at the same time of a little mom and toddler group. So it looks like they have like a cool little class for the little kids. Oh. Let's see where that little guy is. It's gotta be here somewhere. But oh, there it is. Okay, so there's a hummingbird nest right here. How cute. Thought I would zoom in. I don't want to get too close and scare them. They're so tiny. Alright, back to the tortoise area. That's the only turtle I'm seeing is this little guy right here. There's got to be something that's alive in this area, but I'm not seeing it. So let's walk on. Okay. Let's move on to, there's actually a little dirt path right here. So let's just go ahead and walk this and see where this takes us. Let's talk about rhetoric proclamation in Henderson. A little history there. Alright, I'm gonna work my way back to where I was so we can find some cool water and birds to view. Okay, right here it looks like you could have somebody probably teaches right here as people sit in this little area right here. We've got other residents besides birds to look at, apparently. Marsh birds. No dogs, bikes, skateboards, or scooters are allowed, so do not bring any of those. So this Eagle Scout project says this is a cactus garden. Let's see on this side. Oh, there's some rosemary. That is a really pretty view. It shows pond number 2, and there's pond number 3. And as small as you think it is when you walk out, it's when you look at like a satellite map, this place is actually bigger than I thought. In fact, I will show you an aerial footage view picture because I do not have a drone right now. Okay, so I'm gonna walk in between both pond 3 and 2. See where this takes us. If anything, it's nice and peaceful and a nice walk as well. And yes, we're pretty close to the Las Vegas town and airport, so you're going to hear planes flying over. Let's see if we can find anything. Some dragonflies. I don't know if you could catch those. Oh, there's one right there. And oh, there's a couple. Okay. Oh, there he is again. Alrighty then. I don't know if you caught that or not. I can see it, but then he starts to blend in. Here's some more birds. So, it's not as barren as I thought it would be out here. I see water and I see green. So past this water over here, I can see, I want to say a stadium. I don't know. The airport. I know Vegas is right over there. I don't see the strip from where I am at the moment, but I know my location. I know it's that way, and yeah, it's always past a. Okay. Mount St. Charleston over there in the white with the snow. So. Thank you for confirming that. All right, just look that up on the map. Sam Boyd Stadium, and then Mount Charleston, not Mount St. Charleston. I got to get my stuff together here. Haven't been up that mountain, but I hear an hour drive gets you over there, and right now there's still snow up there, so it's kind of cool. And you can see snow in an hour's drive. Still like to check out the Red Rock Canyons as well. There's so much stuff actually. There's some kind of like old railroad hike I'd like to check out. So, plenty of more stuff. I just wanted to check out some free stuff as well and find out all the casinos that offer free parking. Some do not. I was a little bummed. But apparently, I guess, Bellagio being one of them that charged us if you become part of their M Life Awards program or whatever you want to call it, player's card. Or credit card, I think it is. If you spend at least once a month something on it, then you do get free parking. And I did see that when we were paying for the parking, there was some kind of M card thing there. So I don't know. That was one of the things that a guy at the Venetian told us. Okay, so there you go. There is the Stratosphere. Okay, see, Vegas is right there. There is the strip. I was just... The trees are in the way. Love it. Oh, and there's a bunny. There's a bunny right on the other side of that sign. Let's see if he'll let me walk close to him. There he goes. Across the way there looks like some kind of a bridge, so I'm gonna find out how I can get to that, because that looks really fun. But let me walk this way. I want to get a better shot of this cityscape. I don't think I can ever grow old of seeing this. I really love it. I like how, this is what me and that guy I was talking to in the front were saying, how it's like flat land and then, you know, mountains in the background, but you can see what's ahead of you for a long time. I like that, because I lived in Yorba Linda. It was very hilly. It's beautiful, don't get me wrong, but I couldn't see, you know, I had a view, but there was trees blocking in it after a while. You couldn't see this far out. You know, it's nice to be able to see this far out and see Las Vegas from here. Okay, I'm at pond 4, and the pond water looks, it's either more shallow or just more green, like a light green. I don't know. I'm gonna have to backtrack and find how I get to that bridge, because this is not gonna take me to the bridge. Oh, hello, dragonfly. But here you go. Yeah, those dragonflies get close. Oh, here we go. Huh. Interesting. Anyway, oh, there's like a dirt path over here. I see. There's more to it. Let's go check out the sign real quick. Yeah, so here you go. This is pretty big. I'm guessing this is like a viewing wall, maybe so the birds don't see you. So you can kind of peek without them seeing you standing there and just see you, like you can blend in. I don't know. Okay, I'm walking all the way to the very back here, trying to find that cool bridge. Looks like it'll eventually take me that direction. I did see some kind of road runner over here, but he was going a little too fast for me to catch him on camera, not catch him literally. All right, so I'm like right here. And I see this floating island, obviously not for us, but interesting. Get more of a view over here. All right, I found the infamous bridge. So let's walk this bridge. Yes, airplane. I don't know if you can see how close these planes are. Anyway, here we go. Let's go walk this bridge. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a tiny baby bunny right there, and he is so cute. Let's see if I can zoom in on him. Oh, disappeared, darn. What a cutie. I didn't want to scare him off. All right, let's do this. Let's do this thing. Oh yeah. Oh, I wonder if it normally has water, because it is original. Okay, that's cool. It's supposed to be the observation bridge. You can sit and chillax and view. In all directions, no less. Okay. Now we are over water, so. Okay, so that answers my question. It is shallow water. I was like, is it just green or? Okay. This is my view I'm seeing in all directions here. Not seeing any fish. I do see a little bird here, duck, something. 3 of them. Oh, sorry. Oh, look at him go. Hello. Wow. Okay. He almost looks like a turtle. Wow. Impressed. All right, and that's it, and then you walk back out. So straight ahead, I'm seeing another observation tower. I think I'm gonna climb up that bad boy and see what I see. Let's check it out. Oh, and now I'm on this side. Here's the view of the mountains on this end. Pretty much surrounded by mountains. Wow, this is very pretty. Okay, so let's go up here first, and then we'll check out the first photograph of it. Ooh, look at that. Never gets old. All right, downstairs viewing. Ooh, that's what we saw, divers. I kind of like the divers. They're kind of dabblers and divers. Okay. Got a little action on both. They call him that. It's hard to say without being sarcastic. Dabbler and diver. Oh yeah. Alright. Moving on. Pretty much walking back this way will bring us back to the beginning, where it all began. This little guy makes an interesting chirp. All right, there's some on land here. I like their beaks. It's like they can just like dig a hole so quick. Get a worm, whatever it is. Ew. Thanks for that one. I know I hear you, dude. I'm just walking my trail, like, right behind you. He's making sure. Oh, there he goes. It's all good. Wow, there he goes. Bye. You almost sound like a guinea pig. Is that you? You kind of look like a crow. Wow, but his tail, wow, that was weird. His tail's like the opposite. Instead of being like this, it's like that. Like a little boat rudder. Okay, that was interesting. Very interesting. So I can hear running water coming out of that. And then I see this thing. And then I see this. Huh. Alrighty then. Just observing and being clueless. Yay! The clueless observer. Oh, hello, dragonfly. Are you like my tour guide? Jeez, please. Alright, now I'm working my way back. And this will take me because I can see the visitor center from here. Okay, I'm back. I hear lots of bees. This tree is very pretty though. Oh yeah. There's a lot of bees. Okay, I'm just gonna not bother them. One time, there was a geocache in the trunk of a tree, Craig Park Regional over in Fullerton, and I was desperate. I was on a mission to find 1,000 caches at that time. I went for it. Oh my God, I pissed off this hive. And they chased me. Got stung like 3 or 4 times. I obviously deserved it, but I'm just saying, don't piss them off. They angry. Okay. Maybe it was a different type of bee. These guys, although I wasn't disturbing them, I'm just walking past them, but still. All right, here's the visitor center once again. They had like a cool bee thing in there, so I wanted to get a quick film of that real quick for you. Okay, they're honeybees. This is where I saw them. Let me get this view.
Yeah.
Well, they don't ever all go empty, do they?
No.
It is a little low.
They're low.
Yeah.
But the water was coming in one.
Yeah.
Corner of one, it was coming in 5.
All right, guys, that was a nice walk around the preserves, wildlife, looking at birds and other things. The guy at the front desk, very nice guy. They take your info down. I don't really know why though. I guess they just want you registered. They didn't take your email or anything. They just want your name and they have you in the system. And you, next time I go in, I'll sign in and he looks up my name and I guess he just marks that I'm here. Anywho, so that's it, guys. Check it out if you're in Henderson. See ya. Bye.